just wanted to draw attention to what's happening here. If you look at the premium, look at what's happened here compared to here. When we apply our rule, higher high on the Spoos, lower high on the premium, highs of the premium below our threshold, which is not happening right on that bar. It's not really happening, but the LR curve is substantially divergent. And then when this happened, and this is real interesting, if you have failed to take a short trade, say at the top of this move, and maybe you're not absolutely positive that this thing is turning, but you get a nice spike up like this, lower high, it is almost always an indication that the market is ready to drop. So you had divergence here, another spike up, something of a test, market turns, and down she comes. It's real easy to spot this. And so what we should see happening now is a continued drop into our retracement lines. So shorting that high, holding the trade down to 83, makes for a nice 3-point move. 3 points, not 3 ticks, 3 points. Now we'll have to give that some time because this market is just moving oh so slow. But in any case, I didn't introduce myself at the beginning of this video. This is RSKsys Intl, Spooman for Risk on October 25th, 2010. And it is about going on, well, it's getting close to 2 p.m. or pardon me, 1 p.m. Central Time. But that short should continue right on down to a new low. Give it some time and we'll come back. Now notice what just happened here. Again, that little spike up right here, associated with this spike here, short that. Short that like right now. That's the time to do it. That's what it looks like. Right back up there again. We want to short that. Watch it come down. Now you notice how we came down, hit that retracement, came back up, come right back down. Well, the market has not yet begun to drop as we had hoped it would, but it will. It will. We're going to start losing some volume here pretty quick, I think. And you will see a new low for the day. Okay, the low that occurred down here, oops, that occurred down here is not the low for the day. That is yet to come. So we could look at a nice short taking us back down to, let's just verify that 8250 level. So yeah, any kind of a short up in here should make a nice 4 points down to the low for the day. Now, how do we know that? How do we know we're going to see a new low for the day? Well, you come to RSKsys.com, and we'll show you how we know things like that. But it's taking a long time for the market to move, but shouldn't surprise us that here within the next half hour, things will begin to drop. So we'll come back as soon as they do. Okay, we're back on. Sorry for that delay. We had a long conference with our programmer right after we hit this high up in here, and we had mentioned it looked like we were getting ready for a drop, and that's exactly what occurred. We're looking for a new low for the day, however, but isn't it interesting the accuracy of our retracement lines? Wow, this came right down. One tick bar comes right down to that retracement level and bounces off of it like a ping pong ball against a wall. Amazing. But that's just what we expected to occur. Now, what I didn't expect is that we would wind up with some retracements above the market. So, as you can see, up we went and we caught that upper, this retracement line here. I'd be a little bit surprised if we'd go all the way up and test 86.75 again. We have time for it, but really this the low, which has not yet occurred here, needs to be happening here about in the next 30 minutes. So it would have to be a nice quick move up to 86.75, and then she's going to need to tank. Of course, it didn't take very long for us to retrace this entire period in roughly 4 minutes. So yeah, anything can happen here. We could go up there, test that, come right back down, and still have plenty of time to hit a new low for the day. But let's just really quickly review where we were at right in here. Let me pull these bars to where we can see them. And I'm not sure if we're going to succeed at that. Hang on. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, our global line right in here, the curve way below the upper threshold, so are the highs of the premium. Down she goes, down to this low. Okay, and now up we go again. So here we are. That high was tested here. Again, linear regression way below the upper threshold, and we should be seeing a drop again in price. Not to say that it can't go back up, but this is certainly the pattern to indicate that it should be coming down. Well, I could be wrong, but by the looks of things, I think it's going to pop right through 86.75. Not that it matters too much, but that's... See, for the premium to turn here and run up all the way to the upper threshold as it's doing right now, you see, yeah, see, it went right up, right through it. Okay, just the way I was expecting it to go. All right, so popped right up there. Now it may take a little bit longer to come back down, but come back down it should. Now, I don't want to use up too much more of our time here, but as you can see, right in here, we started coming down right as the curve began to descend. It looks like it's going to pop up there at least one more time. Yeah, it looks like it's doing it right as we speak. Well, what did we tell you? Now, we do have those retracements up there, but I think they're going to be left behind for tomorrow. So down she'll continue to come. And it's a pretty interesting system, wouldn't you say? That's what we're all about here at Risk. Look at that. Comes right down. Boing. Don't worry. It's coming down further. And that was quite a bounce off of that. But, well, still suggests we should be hitting a new low. And there you have it, friends. 82.50, 82.25, 82, 81.75, new low for the day. Just as we told you. All right, so now you have a little more to work with when it comes to the risk system. Very accurate, very predictable, very easy to use. So come see us, RSKsys.com. Ask for a demo. The price of this system is certainly worth it. This is Rod Kusanen for Monday, October 25th, 2010. Happy trading, and please comment on our videos. Have a good day.